Hey guys, today I'm checking out this wireless keyboard and mouse combo that I received for reviewing purposes. I think that it's a really nice one because it has an ergonomic design and you can have it configured with multiple backlit modes that I think it's going to be really nice, okay? It comes really well packaged, everything comes protected with a wrap, which I think that it's a really good, okay? As you can see, this is the proper keyboard. We get the gesture manual. That it's nice. It has this wide space so we can place our hands, and as you can see, it's ergonomic as it has a really nice design for our hands. Okay. In here we got the mouse, and as you can see, it also has a really ergonomic design. Okay. Okay, feels really nice. We got in here some buttons to change the speed and everything, and these both side buttons. Okay, in case that we are gaming or anything like that. This is the 2.4 GHz USB receiver that we're going to use, or we can use this cable, okay? As you can see, it's a USB A to Type-C charging cable, but in any case, we get a USB A to Type-C adapter, in case that we need it, okay? Which I think that it's great that it comes included, okay? I'm going to set this aside, and, well, let's go ahead and test this one out, okay? I'm going to throw this upon. I'm going to plug my mouse. As you can see, I cannot use it. And I'm gonna turn on the keyboard, okay? You get this stance, so we can extend it like this. Now that it's on. This one's also on. I'm gonna use the receiver. Okay, now it's ready. We can open up and let me read the instruction manual so I can see how to use all the different backlit modes that it comes. Okay, as I've said, it has an ergonomic design, letting you type with a more comfortable grip. It's designed to fit all your hand, which I think that it's really nice. Okay, it has a really good typing experience, which I think that it's nice. It ain't like a mechanical keyboard that make that much sound, which I think that it's a nice. You got obviously the number pad in here. All the functions that you can use with the hotkeys are labeled, so you know that those are the ones that you can use. Okay, with the instruction manual, you can find all the different functions of the hotkeys and how to use them. Okay, in this case, I place this backlit mode, and I think that it looks really nice. Okay. And what I think that it's great is that with just a touch of one button, we can open the mail, in any case, the calculator, or anything like that. It's a really nice keyboard, and something that I find really useful is that you get a space where you can place your cell phone in any case that you need it, okay? Just like this, and it will stay at an angle. And I think that it's a really great angle, so that way you can be, while you are typing, doing any kind of homework, you can be watching a YouTube video, or if you have your messages right here while you're doing a homework or an assignment with your group chat. That way you can have it at hand ready. And as I've said, the mouse is really comfortable grip. You get different buttons. As I've said, the scrolling experience, it's really nice. You can adjust the speed of the mouse, making it really fast or incredibly slow in case that you need it. As you can see, the keyboard features an integrated wrist rest and a gentle curved key layout that is perfect for long hours of typing. With the adjustable stand, you can customize the angle, and with the full-size layout, it ensures that all the keys are right there where you need them. The included wireless mouse is shaped to fit the narrow curve of your hand, and the silent buttons are really nice setting. While you can adjust the DPI settings from 800 up to 2400, giving you precision controls for any kind of task, and the side navigation buttons make browsing and even office work faster and more efficient. As you can see, the setup is simple with just the USB 2.4 GHz receiver that connects both the keyboard and mouse with the reliable lag-free performance. Overall, I think that it's great. It has a ton of functions that I think they're going to be really helpful. With the hotkeys, you can be working a little bit faster. The ergonomic design, it's perfect for your hands. You have it, even the keycaps are rounded and molded upon the design of your hand. And with the backlit with the backlit modes, you can change the experience depending of how you want it. I like it a lot and I would really recommend it, guys.